Let's move on to some other stories as well. Members of the Muslim community in India up in arms against the French President Emmanuel Macron. Why? Well, because of those controversial cartoons against Prophet Muhammad in France. On Thursday, protesters in Mumbai pasted pictures of Macron on the road, showing their displeasure over Macron's comments, where he in fact backed freedom of expression, even as caricatures of Prophet Muhammad sprung up across France. Protesters drove cars and walked all over his pictures. Meanwhile, we also saw another protest happening in Bhopal. This was in the Iqbal Maidan yesterday, led by Congress MLA Arif Masood. The hundreds of members of Muslim community were seen coming together, demanding an apology from Macron for defending these cartoons against Prophet Muhammad. You had the Bhopal Congress MLA also urging the central government to act to snap all financial ties with France for disrespecting Prophet Muhammad. BJP spokesperson Sambit Patra, meanwhile, has slammed these protests against France, saying that India's stand is very clear, that India stands with France against terrorism, and also questioned the protesters' motives. Remember that Macron had promised very stringent action against radical Islam after the beheading of a French teacher who had shown caricatures of Prophet Muhammad in his class earlier this month. These words by Macron also in fact led to the cartoons, the caricatures of Prophet being put up across France as a message of solidarity with the history teacher who was beheaded.
प्रेसिडेंट मैक्रोन ने जो नबी करीम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम की तौहीन की है वो मुसलमानों को बर्दाश्त नहीं है। आज पूरी दुनिया जो है, पूरी दुनिया के मुसलमान मैक्रोन के ख़िलाफ़ एहतजाज कर रहे हैं, उनके सामान का बायकाट कर रहे हैं। और हम जो हिंदुस्तान के मुसलमान भी, ख़ास तौर से मुंबई के मुसलमान यहाँ ज़बरदस्त तरीके से उसके ख़िलाफ़ एहतजाज कर रहे हैं। और उनकी हम तस्वीरें रोड पे हमने बिछा दी हैं, उस पर जूते चप्पल से लोग चल रहे हैं, उस पर थूक रहे हैं, उस पर लानत व मलामत भेज रहे हैं।
हम ये पैगाम देना चाहते हैं कि सुन ले फ्रांस के राष्ट्रपति, अगर हमारे बस में होता तो हम तेरा मुंह कुचल देते ही हम लोगों ने हाथ बांधे हैं और हाथ हमने इसलिए बांधे हैं कि हम कानून को मानने वाले लोग हैं, और हमने हाथ इसलिए बांधे हैं कि हमें हमारे अल्लाह के रसूल ने अमान सिखाया।
And let me take this across to Saurabh Bhaktania for the latest updates from Mumbai. Saurabh, a lot of questions being asked right now of those posters that were pasted across the roads of Mumbai. Have they been removed? Because the BJP is now posing this as a challenge, as a question to the Maharashtra government.
Well, absolutely, Akshita. The Indian government has made a very clear stand that there is support the France government, the France president on his stand and solidarity against the terrorism. Now, there is a very unique way of protest which has happened in Mumbai. We are in Nagpada Bhindi Bazaar area, and let me show the visuals over here. This is the photo of France President Emmanuel Macron, and his photos are being pasted over here. You can see there is also a mark of footprint on his photo. Now, let me take you little ahead, Akshita. Ask my camera person Vaibhav to come over here. This is the main important road. This is the road below the JJ flyover in the Bhindi Bazaar Nagpada area. And the whole road, if you can see over here, and the whole road, the pictures of France President Emmanuel Macron has been pasted over here with the footprint, and the cars and the people are passing over it. Now the BJP have clearly targeted the state government. Now if you can see in this particular visual, Akshita, the pictures are not very clear. These are not very clear because just few hours back from now, there were police officials from the Mumbai police officials who came over here and removed this poster. They had came with brushes available with them, and they also removed clearly these pictures over here. So you can see how the incident has politicized in this case, where the posters were pasted. The BJP is targeting the state administration by how can they allow this.
So there was an attempt, and you can see that on the visuals that Saurabh is also showing us from there on the roads, that there was an attempt to remove most of the posters. The police was there and they tried to brush it off the roads. But this particular protest in Mumbai as well as in Bhopal triggering a controversy because the Indian government stand is very clear. They've expressed their solidarity with the French government on these attacks that have happened in French soil.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.